everyone, this is MJ. I'm so excited you've joined me for my countdown to Christmas featuring MJ's Merry Minis. I've designed 25 Christmas ornaments and each one will release from December 1st through to December 25th, and you'll be able to find the pattern for free on my blog on the ornaments release day. Now I'm hosting a crochet along over in my Facebook community group, and the link will be in the description box if you want to join in and post your pictures. If you'd rather not wait for all 25 ornaments to release, I've decided to put together a beautifully designed ebook featuring all 25 crochet ornaments. You can purchase the ebook through the link in my description box. Hey, this is MJ, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this cute little plaid hat. It's the perfect Christmas ornament or present topper. I'll be using worsted weight yarn, and I'm using wool of the Andes worsted from We Crochet. And I'm using a 4mm G crochet hook, and this is a Furls Streamline wood hook. You'll need a little mini pom-pom maker, some scissors, and a yarn needle. This little hat is made from the bottom up, so we're going to begin with the band in gray. So make a slip knot and put that on the hook. And we're going to chain out 7. And work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in every chain across, so we have a total of 6 stitches. Chain 1 and turn, and now we'll be working the band in the back loops only. So work a single crochet in the back loop only of every stitch across for a total of 6. Chain 1 and turn. And we just continue in this manner, working a single crochet in the back loop of each stitch across. And I want you to work up a total of 18 rows. Okay, so I've worked my 18 rows. You can count your ridges here: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now what we'll do is chain 1. We're ending on our right side, so we're going to fold the right sides together. Slip stitch through the back loop over to the first chain of that first row. And slip stitch across. So you should be slip stitching across 6 stitches through the back loop and then going across. Chain 1, and now you can keep your seam to the outside because this little hat will flip up. Now what you're going to do is just work a single crochet into every row around. So you're going to end up with a total of 18 stitches worked all the way around. So you can follow along with the pattern or the chart that will be on the blog for our plaid stitch pattern. But what we're doing is starting with black. So when I slip stitch here into my first stitch, I'm going to change to black on that join. Pull the join tight and we'll chain 2. So now we're going to do 3 stitches in each color. So we're going to work half double crochets. So I'm going to do 3 in black. And then I'm going to do 3 in white. So we're going to pull through Okay, so when we're changing color, let's keep our balls separated so they don't get tangled up. I'm gonna pull that final through with our white. Got a little black catch there. Let's do this again. Okay, so instead of yarning over with black, we're gonna yarn over with white when we change that color. And then we'll work 3 in white. Now we can crochet over that tail, but don't worry about crocheting over the black. We're just gonna pick it up. This is just an ornament, so we're not worrying about the floats in behind. Okay, so now we're gonna change back to black for 3 stitches. And then change back to white for 3 stitches, and then this is how the pattern will just go all the way around. Okay, so you should be ending with white, and we're going to change back to black and do another round exactly the same. So slip stitch in the top of the first half double crochet to join, chain 2, and then we'll work 3 in black, 1, okay, and then switch to white, and we'll do 3 in white. And just repeat that all the way around, and we'll switch up the color pattern on the next round. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is change to gray on the slip stitch. Drop off the white, pull up the gray. I'm not cutting any yarn, I'm just floating it all in behind and just picking it up. So we'll chain 2. And now the black, it's going to be a long pull, so if you want to pull it here and crochet over it, it'll just get it ready for the next spot. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then drop off the gray, pull through the black, and then we'll do 3 black, and then we'll do 3 gray. So we're just repeating this all the way around now. And you can go ahead and do another round just like this, because we'll have 2 rounds where we do the gray, black, gray, black. Okay, so I've worked around and we're going back to black, white, black, white. So let's just pull through. We'll slip stitch to join, chain 2, and now we're going to work 2 rounds, working 3 black, and then 3 white. I'm going to move that out of the way. Actually, we can cut off the gray right now, and then that would just get that out of the way. So I'm just going to continue with this pattern, working 3 black, 3 white, and I'll do another round of it and then I'll meet you up again. So I'm just finishing off. I've snipped off my black yarn. I'm just going to slip stitch here with the white. Fasten off with a tail. Now what we're going to do is just weave through the front loops of every stitch around to close the top of the hat. So just keep going through the front loops all the way around. Then all you need to do is just pull it closed and then just continue to weave your tail just to keep the top of that hat secure. And then you can weave it back in the opposite direction. And now you'll want to flip your hat inside out and get rid of all of the tails. So then you can just flip up your band, and this is how the little hat looks without your pom-pom. Now I've done the pom-pom in some of my other videos, so I'm going to pop up that little tutorial. You can make this cute little pom-pom with a mini pom-pom maker, or you can make them just by using a little bit of cardboard too, but this makes it really quick and easy. So I'll pop that video up next. So this is a little mini pom-pom maker, and I'll have a link in the description box on where you can purchase these. And all we're going to do is wrap the yarn around the 2 pieces of the arm. What I like to do is, we don't need this pom-pom too big or thick because it's just for the top of a little hat, but I do like to make sure that I have all the black covered up. Okay, and then once that's done, you can just give it a trim, put it in, and then just do the same thing for the other arm. Okay, close that together. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take a piece of yarn, and you're going to put it through the groove of the pom-pom maker. What I like about the pom-pom makers is that you don't have to do very much trimming, and the pom-pom comes out pretty much perfect every time. The trimming can be so messy that that's the part I dislike. I'm just knotting it on the other side as well. Okay, and then we can just pull it apart. There's just going to be a couple stragglers. But other than that, you have your perfect shape. So there's just the few little pieces that need trimmed. And it's a perfect little pom-pom. So now to put your pom-pom on your hat, you're just going to take the tails, just weave them inside your hat. Okay, and then you're just going to knot this inside and give it a trim. Now to hang your little hats on the tree, you can just use a little ornament hook or thread some twine and hang them that way, or add them as a present topper. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell to stay updated on new videos and tutorials. Thanks so much, everyone. Have an awesome day.